Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to explain the second chapter of English, The Tale of a Mountain. I hope you all have read this lesson. Now start. It is the story of a huge mountain, and it was so high that maybe the tallest mountain in the world. It stood all alone in the blue sky, and it was so huge and so high that the plain means the flat and large area, जिसे हम हिंदी में मैदान कहते हैं. So far from the mountain that it had very few friends. जो माउंटेन था वो इतना ऊंचा था कि वो नीचे देखकर भी किसी से ना बात कर सकता था और ना ही उसके कोई फ्रेंड्स थे. The mountain was in the sky, so the big fluffy and soft clouds can not reached to its peak, but it was like a fun for fluffy and airy clouds when the peak of the mountain pinched into the middle of the clouds. उस माउंटेन की जो पीक थी वो इतनी ज़्यादा हाई थी कि वो छोटे क्लाउड्स के अंदर तक मिडल तक उन्हें पिंच करती थी और इस पर उन क्लाउड्स को बहुत अच्छा लगता था. Little clouds laugh when it happens, and sometimes clouds laugh so hard that it started crying. The mountain also, and sometimes they would laugh so hard that they would cry. इस पर जब उस माउंटेन की पीक जब उन फ्लफ़ी एरी क्लाउड्स पर पिंच करती थी तो उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा हंसी आती थी और कभी कभी वो इतना ज़्यादा हंसते थे कि वो उस कारण कभी रो भी देते थे. एंड देन इट वुड रेन ऑन द अर्थ बिलो, और उनके इस रोने से it starts raining. On a hot summer, the sun was very hot for several days. As well as all know, in summer days the sun is very hot and very harsh. So in these summer days no little clouds was there in the sky. The mountain felt very lonely and very sad because there was no clouds to play with him. Finally, one day he spoke to the sky and asked, "Why don't you let the little clouds run and play?" माउंटेन ने जब देखा कि छोटे क्लाउड्स वहाँ नहीं हैं तो उसने स्काई से पूछा कि तुम उन छोटे बादलों को क्यों दौड़ने और खेलने नहीं देते हो. Where have they gone? वे सब कहाँ गए? The sky told the mountain that all the clouds have gone to the kingdom of winter and they came back after the summer season. Because it is very hot, they all went to kingdom of winter, and when the summer season ended, then after they came back. When the summer have passed away. After hearing this, mountain said, "I will also go to the winter kingdom." After listening to the sky, the mountain said, "Okay, I will also go to the winter kingdom to meet the little clouds. I miss them so much." But the sky told him that you are a mountain, and mountain always stay in one place. They cannot move. In this, mountain thought that only I have to stay at one place and everyone else moves around. Nobody needs me and nobody wants to be my friend. The mountain was started crying and his tears flow like rivers from mountain's face. As you all seeing in this picture, that when he feels so lonely and sad, he start crying, and because he cried so much, it turns into a river. As you all saying, this is a river, because this mountain have cried a lot, and this become his tears became turned into water, and it becomes a river. It was the first time when he cried. When he cried, the dried plain areas drank his tears, which flows like water, and the plains became fresh and green. As you all seeing, all these plains turns into a fresh and green carpet. There are lots of flowers and there are so much of greenery because of his tears, which turns into water. The plain thanked the mountain and said, "Your water had healed my wounds and changed me into green meadows." Green meadows means green grasslands. The mountain had stopped crying on listening this. After listening this, when the plain surface told mountain that I am very thankful to you that you have healed my wounds and give me such a kind river. In this, after listening this, the mountain had stopped crying and was very happy that somebody had talked to him. The mountain looked down and was surprised that it was plain who was talking to him. The plain looks like fresh and green carpet. The mountain was very happy, and then Old Sky said, "Now you see mountain, you can find friends everywhere." When the mountain was feeling very lonely, the sky told him that, "You see, you can find friends anywhere. You just have to notice them." Mountain thought that no one was his friend, but because of his tears, the dried plain became fresh and green again, and the plain and the mountain, they both become friends, and the mountain also become the friend of the plain. So this is the explanation of this story, students. Just go through this story, and after this I will send you its word meanings and question answers. Till then, have a nice day.